This is what's called a radical equation. Now, it's called a radical equation because not only is it super awesome and invented in the early 90s, but this is called a radicand. It's a square root symbol. Now, a square root symbol is being wrapped around an entire left side. If I want to get rid of a square root, the way you undo a square root is you square it. So if I were to square both sides, that will make the square root on the left side disappear like so. Now we have 3 to the second power on the right. 3 times 3 is 9, bada bing. Okay, it's a regular old one-step equation now. Add 4, v equals 13. Now with these guys, you really want to check your work because if you end up with a negative answer, that can be scary. But if I go up here and I say, all right, well, if this is me checking my work mentally, if I were to plug in 13, I would get 13 minus 4 underneath the square root. 13 minus 4 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. You're good. Everything's fine. 13 works. But that is how you undo a square root. You square it. Makes sense to me.